Um, Today we are filming my friend's AC, and it's at his new apartment. Look at this. This is a four-bladed thing, and it's a Luxaire. Hey! So this is a Luxaire air conditioner from what year? Okay. I don't know. Yeah, but a really old Luxaire air conditioner. Here's a Hiel observer. What year? Okay, so serial number is E170307996. That's obviously a 2003. It's got the sound blanket and its compressor. This is an older carrier unit. Let's see. Okay, 1999. And that's a Copeland compressor. And looks like another old Luxaire. This 03 Hiel must have replaced this one of these older Luxaires or carriers. Yeah, let's see if this still has its data sheet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they really faded. Ah, I hit that. Yeah. So we got some vintage Luxaire air conditioners. And what motor? GE fan motor on that one. Okay. Gen-Tech. It's got the Q at the end of its name. GE fan motor. That one has, and it looks like they carrier flipped the fan blades the wrong way. Yeah. And I like 4-blade fans. I think that's a nice design. Yeah. Yeah. I saw a Luxaire style of these that like the fan is diagonal. Uh-oh. This doesn't look good. I found a decapitated pony near the air conditioner. What compressor do you have? Whoop. That's rusty. Yeah. This is at my friend's new apartment. There's a bee right there. Okay, come on. Yeah, up. That's where the data is. Did you think that Luxaire was Goodman? That's annoying. Hasn't been running. Nope. It's hot. I think that's been running. Not been running. Yeah. So yeah. Let's now go on the serial and model number. Can't get that one because the bigger one must be the real one. Hope that's not faded. Up. Okay. Up, and that's the rest of Luxaire. Don't feel like taking that off. Since the carrier emblem is missing, I can tell it's a carrier. That noise you heard was a firecracker. Okay, serial number is since I told you the serial number already, model number is HSH518GK8200. Yeah. Serial number on this one is 3599E23550. Model number is 38YCC01830. What tonnage are you? Okay, or a. Okay, you are a. Come on. I don't know what tonnage you are. I think 18, so I'm guessing this is a 1.5 ton. And let's see your tonnage file. Okay, it is a I guess 1.5 ton. Wait a minute. E1703996. Can't quite tell. Yeah, these Finding the tonnage on these units are hard. Yeah, those and oh, that's not good. It's bent. Yeah. Oop. Insulation's falling off right there. Gotta fix that. Then the homeowner, the apartment, that this part that goes to the apartment must be lucky. Yeah. So two very, very old Luxaire air conditioners and an '03 Hiel Observer and a 1999 Carrier air conditioner. So yeah, out. This has been a Tan Fan production.